Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding Conspiracy. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that's as intriguing as it is complex: conspiracy. It's a word that you might have heard in news, movies, or novels, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we uncover the layers of conspiracy and how to use it in conversation. A conspiracy is an agreement between two or more people to commit an unlawful or harmful act. It's often done in secret, because, well, plotting openly to do something wrong doesn't usually end well. It's not just the act itself, but the planning that counts here. If people are plotting together, they are engaging in a conspiracy. Understanding a word means knowing how to use it. Let's look at some examples. The authorities uncovered a conspiracy to rob the bank. There are many popular conspiracy theories surrounding famous historical events. Some words are often found in the company of conspiracy, like conspirator, the person who is part of the conspiracy, or conspire, which is the verb form. Here's how you might see these related words. The conspirators were arrested before they could carry out their plan. They conspired together to cheat on the exam. And that's a wrap on conspiracies. Remember, a conspiracy is more than just a secret plan. It's a term loaded with implications of illegality and harm. Hope this video helps you understand and use the word conspiracy with confidence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.